Okay, I'm going to show you how to install this vent. Let's get started. This one's on the west side of the building, and actually the northwest corner. The other one's on the southeast corner of the building, so you get some cross ventilation. This should, any air that blows in here or blows on the other side should blow out or in or out here. These vents down here we put in when they built the shed to provide some air circulation down underneath in the foundation. There's boards, timbers here, and then the floor is about right here. So this new vent should provide adequate ventilation of the shed, and what I say too is the shed warms up, cold air should go in here and the warmer air rises in the building and it should go out that other vent. And I want to put the upper one right there above the ladder. So the trick is where to do the hole. Now, looking inside, I'm right below the top plate and right next to the window. So out here, it should be right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a drill and with a small bit and punch it through and see where it comes out. If I use a bigger bit, it's going to be harder to plug the hole if I'm wrong. If using a really small bit, I can easily fix it. Let's see where that came out in here, and it's holes right there. That's where I put the vent. So I'm going to do some measuring and figure out how much of this chipboard on the inside and the side and the outside I'm going to need to cut out. Inside I'm going to use the same small bit, and first hole is right here. I'm going to drill one the same height, about an inch away from that stud on the right. And about an inch away from the stud on the left. The hole on the right came out over here, and on the left, on the inside, came out here. Now this vent, I want it to end up, whoops, upside down. I want it to be, about right there. So, I'm going to mark horizontal and the vertical of where I want the cutout to be, and it ended up being right there in the one corner. Right here will be a corner, top left corner, and this will be the top right corner. And now I'm going to drill a bigger, probably 1/4 inch hole, probably in this corner. Well, no, I can't go over this far because that stud is right here. This hole is about an inch away from the stud, so I'm going to have to move. I'm going to move this all the way over to that hole. Good. The stud will be in the way, and I can cut outside here, but this one should be good. I use a saber saw to cut out the hole. I drilled 1/4 inch holes in each of the corners so I could fit the saber saw blade in through the hole, through the siding, there's tar paper underneath there, and then there's chipboard or strand board on the inside, which is a sheeting. And now I need to check the vent and drill some holes and put some screws in. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.